Good morning, students. So in previous class, we have discussed definite integration up to 15 problems. Now we are going to discuss that 16th problem onwards. Now see the question. Integration 0 to 1, 4x cube divided by under root 1 minus x power 8. How to do this problem? In denominator, x power 8 is there. So x power 8 we can write x power 8 we can write x power 4 whole square. So this is, we can write integration 0 to 1, 4x cube divided by under root 1 minus x power 8 we can write x power 4 whole square dx. So here let x power 4 is equal to t. Then what is derivative? 4x cube dx is equal to dt. So numerator part we got. Now we want to change the limit also. If x is equal to 0, then what is t value? T value 0 power 4, 0. If x is equal to 1, then what is t value? T is 1 power 4, that is 1. Those values substitute in the question. Integration 0 to 1, 4x cube dx means that is dt divided by under root 1 minus t square. What is integration 1 by 1 minus t square formula? This is sine inverse t now. So this is sine inverse of t limit 0 to 1. First substitute upper limit, you will get sine inverse of 1 minus lower limit sine inverse of 0. Sine inverse of 1 means we know that it is 90 degrees, pi by 2. Sine inverse of 0 means 0. So finally, answer is pi by 2. Third option is, students see the question number 17. Integration 0 to k cos x divided by 1 plus sine square dx is equal to pi by 4. Then k is equal to, they're asking k value. So here, do one thing, let take that sine x is equal to t. Sine x is equal to t. Derivative of sine x, cos x dx, that is equal to dt. Now we want to change the limits also. If x is equal to 0, then what is t? T means here sine x is there. So in place of x substitute 0, sine 0, 0. If x is equal to k, then what is t? T is equal to sine k. Now these values substitute in the question. Integration, change the limits also 0. Upper limit is sine k. Cos x dx means that is dt divided by 1 plus sine x means t now, 1 plus t square dx, that is equal to what? Pi by 4. Next, how to do this? Integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx means what? Integration 1 by 1 plus x square dx, tan inverse x or not? So this is tan inverse of t limits 0 to 2 sine k, that is equal to pi by 4. Now substitute the limits. Tan inverse of sine k minus tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 0 is 0. That is equal to pi by 4. Now, tan inverse of sine k. Tan inverse of sine k. That is equal to pi by 4. Now, what is sine k? Sine k is equal to tan inverse and right hand side. It is going to tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is 1, but we need k value. Sine also send right hand side. We get sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 means that is pi by 2. So third option is correct. So observe this, integration 0 to pi by 4 root to tan x divided by sin x cos x. You do one thing, numerator and denominator multiply with secant square x. Then what happens? See the calculation. Integration root tan x into secant square x divided by sin x into cos x into secant square x dx. Now observe the denominator. Secant square x means we can write 1 by cos square x. One of the cos is going to cancel. And sin x by cos x means we get tan x. So root to tan x into secant square x by denominator after calculation, you are getting tan x. Root to tan x by tan x means, how to write? 1 by root tan x now. Pi by 4, numerator, secant square x by root tan x dx. Now, here how to do that? Integration f dash of x by root f of x like that is there. Root f of x like that is there. Then what is the formula? 2 root f of x or not? So that is 2 root tan x. What is the limit? 0 to pi by 4. Now substitute the upper limit first. Tan pi by 4 1, root 1 1, that is we get 2 minus. Substitute lower limit, tan 0 0, 2 into under root 0, totally 0. The answer is 2. Students, are you understood here? Integration f dash of x by root f of x dx, 2 root f of x. So which option is correct? Second option. Students, see the 19th question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x into sin 2x is there. Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x into sin 2x formula already we know that 2 sin x cos x. Substitute here. Now 2 take outside, remaining part 0 to pi by 2, this is cos power 6x into sin x dx. How to do now? Take, let cos x is equal to t. Cos x is equal to derivative of cos x minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Sin x dx means minus dt. Now change the limits also. If x is equal to 0, then what is t value? T value is cos 0 1. If x is equal to pi by 2, that implies t is equal to cos 9t 0. Now minus 2 integration 1 to 0 cos power sorry. So here t power 6 dt. Now see here negative is there, integration t power x dx, and a limit 1 to 0 is there, that is right, 0 to 1. So here negative is going to positive, 2 into integration 0 to 1 t power 6 dt. Apply the integration, that is t power 7 by 7, limit 0 to 1. Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. So 1 by 7 minus 0. 0 by 7, 0 only now. Total answer is 2 by 7. So first option is correct. This is also easy problem, but sin 2x formula, 2 sin x cos x, you have to remember. Then cos x is equal to take t, you will get answer easily. See the 20th question. Integration 1 to 2 x power 2x. X power 2x means that is x power x whole square. X power x whole square, I am writing x power x into x power x into 1 plus log x dx. Now here what we have to take t, let x power x is equal to t. Apply logarithm on both sides, you will get x log x is equal to log t. Do the differentiation, left hand side UV rule, x constant, log x derivative 1 by x plus log x is constant, x derivative is 1 into dx, log t derivative 1 by t dt. T send left hand side, t means x power x only. Here x cancel, so we get 1 plus log x dx, that is equal to dt. So we got this part is dt. Yes or no? Now we want to change the limits also. How to change? If x is equal to 1, then t value 1 power 1, that is 1. If x is equal to 2, then what is t value? 2 square, that is 4. So substitute here, integration 1 to 4, x power x means t, remaining value is dt. Apply the integration, integration t dt means t square by 2, limits 1 to 4. Take 1 by 2 outside, apply the upper limit and lower limit, 4 square 16 minus 1. So total answer is 15 by 2. Fourth option is correct.